Hello guys, hello my dear friends. This is my official Telegram channel, Ganymede Hack. Ganymede channel, you see guys, this is me. If you want a real working mobile Android application, Aviator Predictor. Ganymede channel, Ganymede Hack, you see guys. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 18 September, 24 years, you see guys. And let's go, I will show you how work hack. Go to the Google Chrome, go to the go to the 1xbet official website, 1xbet 1x games, you see guys. First link, official 1xbet website, 1xbet.com all games. Press this. Yes, official 1xbet website, you see my friends. 1xbet.com. Check everything. You see all this real. Go to my mobile Android phone, select Aviator Predictor application from Ganymede, Ganymede Hack, Ganymede channel, and go to the 1xbet, connecting. Just wait a little bit and you see when Aviator crash next time. Just wait a little bit, my friends. $1.93 next coefficient, guys, when Aviator crash. Look at this. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. It's worked perfect. Okay, let's go. I'm placing a bet right now. $55. Next coefficient 4.56. 4.56, and look at this how it's worked. Amazing, guys. I win money. It's work. It's amazing. Okay, let's go. Place the next bet. 4.26 next coefficient. And look at this how it's work. Amazing, guys. All this real and work perfect, guys. Application real work, number is real correct. You see, guys, next coefficient 4.51. I place again a bet and show you how I win big money. Then I show you how I withdraw my money to my Visa card. Amazing. As you see, guys, application real work. This is my mobile Android phone. You see, if you want to make money like me, easy and fast with my real working hack. Look at this. This is my history from today. You see my history. You see my balance, guys. I withdraw funds and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 18 September, 24 years. You see, guys. Press confirm, press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xbet wallet to Visa card. Just wait a little bit, guys, and my money withdraws. Just wait when status change to proof and my money withdraws. If you want to make money like me, guys, write me in my official Telegram channel. You see? Because all this real and work perfect, and you can earn money like me easy and fast. I am real hacker, real developer. You see, guys, Ganymede channel, this is me. Status approved, guys. Bye bye, see you later.